The next frontier for the video sharing startup is short-form YouTube videos, as it competes with TikTok with the promise of paying creators more. These days, TikTok is a concern for all social media companies, including YouTube, and perhaps excluding BeReal. On September 20th, the Google-owned platform YouTube presented Made on YouTube, which covered how it will pay its new short-form artists, including by reducing obstacles to earning money and intending to offer creators a bigger portion of the revenues. We're announcing more ways for creators to become partners, new ways to make money with shorts, and a reimagining of how the music industry and creators work together, the business said at the time. According to the firm, the new rules will enable users to begin selling movies at 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views over a 90-day period. The threshold is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours over the course of a year for regular YouTubers. Following its 2016 launch and subsequent meteoric rise to fame during the pandemic, TikTok forced Meta's Facebook and Instagram to concentrate on short-form video. Last year, the company said it had more than 1 billion daily active users. YouTube plans to gain some ground by bringing a host of short-term creators to the platform and see if their videos become more YouTube-like, aka longer, and thus more profitable for everyone as time goes on, Insider reported. A number of content producers who tried to launch on YouTube but failed with 3 to 10-minute videos moved to TikTok. These people could now attempt to begin on YouTube. If they persevere, they will develop into long-form creators, a former worker told the site. Insider was informed by another person who oversees YouTube channels at a media company that the shorts push may also be financially detrimental. Shorter films will never be as lucrative as the long-form stuff, they declared. We'll run into trouble if that takes over the YouTube environment, says the speaker. Concerns have also been raised over YouTube's strategy for paying creators of shorts. The 45% of video advertising income that YouTube planned to collect grabbed notice. However, it will be allocated according to views, and an unspecified amount will go toward music licensing first. Whether they utilize music or not, the income portion stays the same, according to the company's statement on its Shorts website. In early 2023, the program will begin accepting proposals for monetization. To compete with TikTok, YouTube is providing a new revenue strategy for shorts. However, content producers who have established companies on the Alphabet-owned social media site claim that lengthier films continue to provide the most financial potential. Unnecessary Inventions founder Matthew Benedetto claims that despite having less subscribers on YouTube than his 6 million TikTok fans, he still makes more money from the site. The channel has over 10 million followers across all social media platforms. Benedetto asserted that long-term businesses are built on YouTube. Long-form video allows you to establish greater intimacy with the audience. Other artists concur. According to others, CNBC still receives bigger monthly rewards from YouTube than from Reels and TikTok. Results have been inconsistent since the new partnership program for YouTube Shorts debuted on February 1st. The new platform is paying as little as 1 penny per 1,000 views, but long-form films may pay up to multiple dollars, according to creators like Zach King, who has over 114 million followers across platforms. King shared this information on Twitter. A spokeswoman for YouTube said that the project is still in its early stages and that the company is concentrating on bringing together artists, viewers, and marketers to expand the shorts industry. We anticipate that creator profits will increase as more of us invest in short films. We're dedicated to establishing a long-term cooperation with shorts ad revenue sharing so that artists can directly benefit from the platform's success, the representative added. Threats from TikTok and Meta's Reels product are also escalating. For this reason, YouTube changed its payment method for content producers who publish to its Shorts platform. Instead of paying creators through a creator fund, YouTube now offers them a piece of money produced by advertising that are displayed on their video. According to Mark Mahaney, head of internet research at Evercore ISI, TikTok's success demonstrated to the major social media firms and the markets the value of short-form video, including Snap, YouTube, and Facebook Reels. However, it also brings with it untested economics. Facebook has been quite up about the difficulties with monetizing, according to Mahaney. With the introduction of the partner program in 2007, YouTube pioneered the concept of sharing ad money with creators, and it will distribute 45% of the shorts revenue to producers. If the short includes music in its upload, the music publisher will also receive a portion of the earnings. The adjustment occurs at a critical juncture for YouTube, whose income missed forecasts in the most recent quarter as advertising expenditure plummeted. According to Benedetto, the amount of money he receives from YouTube Shorts varies from $4,000 to $10,000 every month, depending on how many people watched his movies during that time frame. Although Benedetto's YouTube videos have received close to 2 billion views overall, he claims that the company only pays out a small portion of his overall revenue. Benedetto estimated that fewer than 15% of his income came from AdSense. AdSense is often virtually bonus income for me. Brand deals are much more lucrative for the way I conduct my firm. It has been demonstrated that YouTube is a potent platform for producers to create multi-million-dollar enterprises. According to Axios, Mr. Beast, the biggest YouTube individual creator, is looking to raise $150 million for his company at a valuation of about $1.5 billion. Shorts are seen by YouTube as a first stage in the platform's development, opening doors for both the highest paid users of the website and smaller independent artists. Mr. Beast is huge on long-form video, but Shorts becomes a huge discovery engine, said Renee Ritchie, YouTube's creator liaison. Shorts certainly don't produce a ton of money, but the amount of attention they get, which leads back to his main material, makes them a fantastic awareness tool even for someone his stature. Shorts is simply so effective for exploration, said Ritchie. Mr. Beast's continual multi-million-dollar expenditures in his YouTube videos show the potential of the medium to provide huge profits and draw influencers with sizable fan bases. Previous criticism regarding YouTube Shorts payout from creators. Creators had been vocal about their displeasure with YouTube's payment policies for Shorts. Up until last month, the $100 million Shorts money, a set money that was distributed in accordance with each creator's Shorts viewership, would go to them. One of the problems you have is that the Shorts fund ceiling remains the same even as additional artists participate. As a result, you may be receiving a lot more views. However, as more and more individuals do the same, your share of the profits gets smaller and lower, Ritchie added. The creator fund's monthly payment amounts may vary from month to month, which makes the situation even more unsatisfactory. With creator funds, you get a sum of money, but you don't know exactly why you made this amount of money, said Alan Chikin Chow, a creative with more than 32 million followers across all platforms. That analytics clarity is crucial to me, the speaker said. Through its own TikTok Creator Fund, which the business has promised to increase from $200 million to $1 billion over the next 3 years, TikTok rewards its artists. Challenges with content monetization for Reels and TikTok. The danger YouTube's wider selection of video formats poses to TikTok and how producers are doing the math on their businesses are not lost on the app. Recently, a new model for lengthier films for more seasoned makers was introduced. The Creativity Program Beta gives expanded creative tools to individuals who match the requirements and aims to reward producers who submit movies longer than 1 minute. The program, a separate fund aimed for experienced creators, offers more benefits and is a part of TikTok's continuous initiatives to draw and keep the best content producers. The invite-only scheme was developed in response to the several creators who complained that with the debut of the TikTok Creator Fund in 2020, TikTok revenue was frequently lower than the payouts from other platforms. The new initiative, according to TikTok, is intended to encourage creators to create high-quality content, generate higher revenue potential, and open doors to more exciting, real-world opportunities. Monetization functions differently on Reels. The site, which is accessible on Facebook and Instagram, pays artists a portion according on the number of views each reel receives. Participants in the Reels Play bonus program must be invited and complete certain requirements in order to participate. I think Facebook put a lot of effort into trying to replicate the TikTok experience, said V. Sperer, host of Under the Desk News, a brief-form news program with close to 3 million fans on TikTok. Facebook is funding Reels heavily in an effort to attract users, as seen by our observation. But I'm concerned about how they'll care for you after they bring you over here. Sperer continued, and I don't think the answer is yes. Even though Facebook and Instagram have made it possible to make money in a variety of ways, short-form video producers have had trouble navigating the various payment options. According to Instagram, their Reels monetization plan is still in testing and is constantly evolving. According to a statement from Instagram, we're transparent with creators that the requirements and details of each bonus may vary by participant and the amount creators earn per play may not always stay constant. The most profitable creators, like MrBeast and Benedetto, don't directly depend on any of the platforms for their biggest revenue opportunities. Instead, they use a variety of strategies to monetize their content, including partnerships with brands, license agreements, and online sales of their goods. As part of risk management, creators are broadening their presence across platforms in response to Congress's request for TikTok to be removed from Apple and Google's mobile app stores. In TikTok, I have focused on not putting all my eggs in one basket so that if it were to go away, that things would still move forward, kind of as it was, Benedetto said. This strategy works well with the technology. Online vertical video has been standardized, which makes it simple to develop the same material and publish it on several platforms. We want to invest across platforms where we see growth and not a specific platform, said Victor Potrel, Vice President of Platform Partnerships at The Soul Publishing, which manages a number of brands that monetize based on short-form content, including 5-Minute Crafts, the 15th most subscribed YouTube channel, according to Social Blade. For these sites, distributing advertising for short-form content is still difficult. Short-form content is a fantastic way to be found and grow an audience, producers say. We had some viral short-form content with hundreds of millions of views that increased the viewership on the longer-form content as well, said Potrel. Potrel said he intends to shift long-form interaction as platform viewing rises, since this creates better potential for revenue on both Facebook and YouTube. It's comparable to when internet video first emerged, perhaps 15 to 20 years ago, and not everyone knew how to make money from it. But over time, this has advanced and grown significantly, according to Potrel. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.